What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have HLBZ. The market is going to be opening in around 3 minutes, 2 minutes. And what are my thoughts for the following day? I'm going to go to the 4 hour straight up. And as you can see, it does seem like I'm bearish here because we have shifted this. So, yeah, this was my yesterday's prediction. I mean, you can see that it's actually following it. As you can see, pretty great thing. But also, what could be the case? We could easily just be tapping into this demand and actually taking it higher from there on. So we build the structure. So we also could be even coming higher from there on. So if we break this low, then I'm actually a bit confirmed bearish. Like if we break that 122 low, I'm definitely going to be taking this to like right around 6 7 cents or so, because this is just going to be a free fall. And for me, it just makes more sense because we're just making these new highs to just keep doing them. You feel me? Either from here or here to take it higher. So this is my opinion. Otherwise, if you break this low, just whoop, we're just gonna fall. But again, this is my opinion, not financial advice.